This is the pure argan oil. Then this is the most higher quality. This is how it's look. Always look. We put the almond here. This is the argan almond. This is the argan almond. We just put this kind of almond here. It comes from here. It gives us a oil, okay, from this part, and from this part it gives us a paste. This is the argan paste. We made also soap and many different things from this one. But always, please, the pure argan oil, it's look like this, cloudy. If you see clear oils, it's mean it's a mixed, okay? Or it's mean it's a really old pressure, really old oil. Then always the new one, it comes like this. And from the machine, the best quality, it comes cloudy. And look, like for example, after like 5 or 6 days, you will find the paste, it's coming down. If you don't remove the bottle, if you just leave it like this, you will find some kind of this paste in the down of the oil, and a little bit of separately oil also, like this much quantity. The rest it's argan oil, pure. It will still the rest, like from here till here, pure argan oil. And the paste, if you get it, you can use it as a clay mask for your face also, then as a cosmetic products. Then this is how it's look, the pure one. And for what you can use it, broken nails, stretch marks, eczema, psoriasis, also for the hair to stop losing hair and to make soft hair also.